The first shipment of a Russian missile defense system arrives in Turkey. The United States has urged Turkey to pull back from the deal. U.S. Labor Secretary Alexander Acosta resigns following criticism of his actions in a 2008 plea deal with financier and accused sex abuser Jeffrey Epstein. Automakers Ford and Volkswagen say they plan to work together to develop self-driving and electric vehicles. And the U.S. Coast Guard releases video from the capture of a semi-submersible last month in the Pacific Ocean. The vehicle reportedly was carrying illegal drugs.